What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Today we got a very special vlog for you guys, and I'll show you why. So, it's a very special video because she's gonna be the main course of the video. So what are we doing today?
Going car shopping.
And why are we doing that? What are we getting rid of?
My blue baby.
Alright, so we just talked to the dealership. She's gonna give the car to them, trade it in basically, but we want to take the parts off that we want to keep and resell or just keep for memorabilia. So right now we'll do a little time lapse of us removing the stuff that we need to remove. So this is how the car sits before we remove the stuff. Basically what we're going to be removing is her wheels. Take off the hood spacers because it makes it look ugly if you're giving it to the dealer. The Sirikawa she wants, and then we're going to remove her steering wheel. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so for some reason my video cut out when we were removing everything, but this is everything we got off. We got off the front lip, the strut bar, the engine intake, obviously the wheels, and her Buddy Club steering wheel. So this will all be put up for sale on my Instagram and on Off-Road. So here's the car after. We took off the wheels, the intake, the steering wheel setup that she had right here, and the strut bar. So that's everything that needed to be removed. Now we're ready to go see what Ford can do for us. What'd you just do? What'd you just do?
I gave up my baby.
But you guys will see when we get home what you got. There it is. Say goodbye to her. Say goodbye. Can you guys guess before we show you? Can you guys guess? There's where we're at. What do you guys think? So what'd you get?
I ended up getting a 2020 white Mustang EcoBoost. Huge shout out to Bryan at Colley Ford in Glendora. Best customer service I've ever had at a dealership. Super honest, trustworthy. And this is the final result.
Pop the hood for us. Let's see what you got in there. It's right there to the left. To the left, yeah. So she got this was the premium package for the EcoBoost, so it has the front lip, the side skirts, the bigger wheels, all that fun stuff. But the real fun stuff is under here. Someone say boost. Look at her smile on her face already. Don't go killing me now. Definitely a lot more torque than that Honda, huh?
Way.
I see you keep smiling. Happy with your purchase?
Yes, sir. Are you jealous?
Just a little bit. Ooh, you spun right there. Say bye to everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Let them know you're gonna be going for a joyride now.
Going for a joyride. Don't be too jealous.
Stay tuned for the next vlog. Whether it's parts for this car or parts for the Subaru, some stuff's gonna be coming.